How to activate Indigo Mastercard Online. To activate your Indigo Platinum Mastercard, you can directly visit their website, which is right here. For registration, you can go to indigo.myfinanceservice.com and open it up the section right here. Now, in order to go ahead and activate your card, you can click on register by providing your details. So scroll down and here you will be finding this section right here. So you can just select option, like if you have card number, select yes. If you do not, select no. And then after you do so, you need to provide in your last name, your zip code, your date of birth, your social security number, and continue to next step. And follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration and activate your card, which will allow you to access your account and begin using the card. And always use the official website provided to ensure the security of your personal information. And after the activation, you can log into your account 24/7 to view your balance statements and make payments. So therefore, if you'd also like to activate your Indigo Mastercard online, you may follow up this process in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.